know how your car's AC compressor works? The AC compressor is the heart of your air conditioning system and often powered by the engine through a belt. When you turn on the AC, the compressor pressurizes the low-pressure refrigerant and squeezes it into a hot, high-pressure gas. The pressurized gas then flows to the condenser, where it cools down and turns into a liquid. This cooled refrigerant keeps moving through the system, eventually reaching the evaporator, where it cools the air that blows into your cabin. The compressor works in cycles, turning on and off as needed, controlled by sensors and your AC settings.